you're welcome once again to my channel. In this tutorial today, we are going to learn how to provide a solution to this radical equation on the board. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok at Shabest Online Tutorial. So the question on the board says root t plus 4 over root t is equal to 12. And we're asked to find the value of t in this radical equation. So the first thing for us to do is to rewrite our expression. So solution. So our expression, we have root t plus 4 over root t is equal to 12. So if you have radical expression in this form, what you need to do is to, since this middle term is a fraction, so we are going to eliminate this fraction. And if you look at this fraction, this can also be said root t over 1. This is 12 over 1. If you find the LCM of this denominator, our LCM is going to be root t. Therefore, we are going to multiply everything by root t. So we are going to have multiply by root t. So the first thing, we have root t multiplied by root t, it will give me t. So if you have root t multiplied by root t is the same as root t raised to the power of 2. So that this square on cancel this square, it will be t. So plus 4 multiplied by root t over root t, which is equal to 12 multiplied by root t. But if you look at this middle term here, this root t can cancel this root t. So we have left with t plus 4 is equal to 12 root t. So what are we going to do next? The next thing we are going to do, since we have root here and we are interested in finding the value of t, so we are going to square both sides of this equation to eliminate this square root. So we are going to have t plus 4 square and also 12 multiplied by root t square. So that we have in the left hand side, this t plus 4 square is the same as writing this t plus 4 into two places. So we have t plus 4 multiplied by t plus 4, which is equal to 12 square is 12 times 12, which is equal to 144. Then this square will cancel this square. So we have left with 144t in the right hand side. So the next thing for us to do is to expand this bracket. So t multiplied by t, it will give me t square. Then t multiplied by 4, it will give me 4t. Then 4 multiplied by t, it will give me 4t. Then 4 multiplied by 4, it will give me positive 16, which is equal to 144t. So let us combine the like term. So we have t squared plus 4t plus 4t, it will give me positive 8t, then plus 16, which is equal to 144t. So from now, we are going to combine the like term, starting with the one that have the highest power. So we have t squared, then plus 8t. This 144t is going to cross to make this 8t to change to negative 144t. Then plus 15 is equal to 0. So the next thing for us to do, we are still going to combine this like term here, because this term here, they are alike. So we are going to have t squared positive 8t, then minus 144, it will give me negative 136t, then plus 16 is equal to 0. So we arrive at trinomial, and if you look at this expression here, is a quadratic equation. We have different methods of solving quadratic equation. So we are going to use formula method to solve this quadratic equation. So we are going to have the formula method is given as negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, everything all over 2a. And from this quadratic equation, my a is the coefficient of the first term, which is 1. Then my b is equal to the coefficient of the middle term, which is negative 136. And my c is the constant, which is equal to 16. So let's substitute this to this formula. Negative b is negative 136. Remember, negative is constant for the formula, and my b is negative 136. Then plus or minus we open our square root. B square is negative 136 square, then minus 4 multiplied by A. My A is equal to 1, then multiply by my C, which is 16, all over 2 multiplied by A, which is 1. So let's go on further and simplify this. Negative multiplied by negative, it will give me positive 136 plus or minus. Then you open our square root. Minus 136 square, it will give me 18,496. Then minus 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Then 4 multiplied by 16, it will give me 64. Everything all over 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. So let us went further and simplify this. We have 136 plus or minus. We open our square root. 18,496 minus 64. It will give me 18,432. So everything will be over 2. So we have 136 plus or minus. Take the square root of 18,432. It will give me 135.765, then over 2. So the value of my t now will be equal to 136 plus 135.765 over 2, or 136 minus 135.765 over 2. So my T1 now will be equal to 136 plus 135.765 divided by 2. It will give me 135.883. Or the second value of my t, which is 136 minus 135.765 is equal to, then divided by 2 is going to give me 0.118. So this is the two possible value of my t in this radical expression. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok at Chavez Online Tutorial. Thanks.